Hi there. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very important and yet confusing topic, the difference between categories and the tags. The categories are basically a hierarchical structure. So if you have a category such as marketing, then you have something below it called as social media marketing, and then Facebook marketing, Twitter marketing, and then on the same level to social media marketing, you have email marketing and inbound marketing. So the point is that the categories are basically used to structure your posts according to certain common topic. For example, your post 1 is about social media marketing, then you can associate it with post 1. Then the question arises, how do you use tags and what is the difference between categories and tags? So the basic difference that I can see, the most important difference is that the tags are not categories. The tags are something that are very specific to that topic. For example, if I'm writing about social media marketing and I use the term called as Google Plus or Facebook app or Pinterest search or Facebook page, I will find that these are not part of the categories. Maybe it's because that I do not have enough article about Facebook app, so that is why I'm not able to add insert a category here. So if I were have if I were to have one more category here, let's say Facebook app, then the situation could have been different. But in this case, since I do not have too many articles on uh, Facebook app, I would prefer it to have a tag rather than a category. So a post can have marketing, social media marketing as categories, and also it can have tags as Facebook app. So basically a tag will help increase navigability, that it is very easy to find the post either with the category or with the tag. So if I'm interested in Facebook app, I will just click on the tag on my test blog, for example, right here. And if I just go down here, I'll see that there are a number of tags. So formatting is not a category here. And if I click on formatting, all the posts which have tags as formatting would be taken up and uh, shown to me, while the category here is on a very broad level, which is the markup, and I can go further down just like the way I've shown it to you. So when you are in a dilemma whether to use categories or tags, remember that categories are hierarchical. They have often have more data connected to them, they have more posts connected to them, and if a tag is used so many times that it becomes a category, it's almost like a category. You can do it using the converter in WordPress. So even WordPress allows that kind of facility. So I hope I was able to clarify a little bit of information about the difference between categories and tags. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.